right to you. So look, the soul is the watcher and the observer. The soul is the watcher and the observer. The mind is the projector, and the body is the vehicle. That's the vehicle that you travel in. That's the vehicle. So look, this is what the subconscious mind does. The subconscious mind includes all the memories that you have all ever seen. It's downloading everything that you ever seen. It stores your mental programs, which governs 90% of your daily reality and your behavior. It always alert and awake. You can do millions of things at one time with the subconscious mind, because the subconscious mind is always downloading everything that you take it in. It's more powerful than the conscious mind, because the conscious mind is what's acting everything out through the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind takes everything in, and the conscious mind acts it out. You see? The subconscious mind is taking everything in, and the conscious mind is what acting everything out. The subconscious mind speaks to you in your dreams. That's the third eye. You see? It takes everything literally. So that's why I says love your neighbor like you love yourself. If you tell somebody else something negative, that means that you're talking to yourself, because it came out of you, and the subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between if you're talking to yourself or the next person. It doesn't know the difference. So check this out. One more time. The soul equals the watcher and the observer. The mind is the projector, and the body is the vehicle. The body is the vehicle. Nobody is the body. If you identify as the body, then that means that you're living in the third dimension, the devil's playground, because this is the 666. This is the mark of the beast right here, this body. When you identify as this body. Peace, love, and light. Raise the vibration. Raise the frequency. So look. Check it out. I'm going to show y'all so y'all will understand. The eye, the inner eye, emotions, actions, thoughts. That's why you always identify yourself as I. You see? I. Who do the thoughts belong to? Huh? Look, the I is the symbol of the divine spark within us, the soul, the consciousness. I equals one. You see, I, and then the letter I equals one. The I within us is the divine spark of consciousness. The triangle symbol is the three aspects of consciousness: thoughts, emotions, and actions. Thoughts, emotions, and action. All this is governed by the I, the inner I. Because who are you? Who are you? You are the I. You see? Because you don't identify yourself as your name unless somebody asks you your name. If somebody asks you your name, you're going to tell them what your name is. But if you walk out your house, you're going to say, I'm finna go to the store. Because you are the I. You are the I. So check this out. Let me read it to you. The brain and the mind. The brain is not the mind. The brain is the physical manifestation of the mind. The soul inhabits the mind. Then the mind inhabits the spirit. Then the spirit inhabits the etheric body. Then it inhabits the physical body. Then the soul and the mind are the two aspects of the celestial, not from earth. Not for earth. Celestial means heavenly, not from earth. One more time. One more time. We're going to start this over so y'all understand. The brain is not the mind. The brain is not the physical manifestation of the mind. The soul inhabits the mind. Then the mind inhabits the spirit. Then the spirit inhabits the etheric body. Then it inhabits the physical body. So all this stuff is inside of the body. The soul and the mind are the two aspects of you that are celestial, not from earth. Celestial means heavenly. The soul and the mind are not from earth. So you are a extraterrestrial, but you don't even know it, because you think that you're the body. Nobody is this body. You ain't this body right here. You ain't this body. You're the soul. You're the soul. You see? We're the spirit consciousness. The soul, the body ain't SHI but a vessel. Nah, It's like this, no love. The soul is the divine spark. This is how it goes. The soul is the divine spark. That's what the soul is. Your soul is the sun. Your soul is the sun. The sun is the most sophisticated and complex organism on the planet. It's giving us all the knowledge. And everybody's soul is connecting us to the solar system. The spirit is the character that's on top of the soul. So that's why you have godly spirits and you have evil spirits. So if you're vibrating low, you'll enable spirits to get inside of your body. The soul is what's pushing the body. That's the energy. The soul, energy. The spirit is the character that's on top of the soul. So the purpose is go back to your true organic form and be the soul, because the soul doesn't know how to do nothing but be good. You see, spirits possess the body and get you to do things that the soul usually wouldn't do. You see, that's how it goes. So look what it says. Look, the spirit is the non-physical copy of your physical body. You see, which you use when you leave the body to astral travel and dream. The soul is the consciousness. Everything has a soul. Grass and animals, it is pure magnetic life force, which gives life to everything it inhabits. For example, the body is fed by the life force of the soul, but the body contains atoms that decay. Therefore, the body is mortal, but the soul is immortal. You see, the soul is immortal. The body is mortal, but the soul is immortal. One more time so y'all can know the difference. It's a difference between soul and the spirit. The spirit is the non-physical copy of your physical body. It's the non-physical copy. You see, it's doing all the action for you, but it's the non-physical part because it's the character of the body. You see, the spirit is the non-physical copy of your physical body, which you use when you leave your body to astral travel and dream. The soul is the consciousness. Everything has a soul. Grass and animals is pure magnetic life force, which gives us life to everything it inhabits. For example, the body is fed by the life force of the soul. You see, the soul is God. The soul is the sun. The soul is the divine spark within us. That's the fire within us. But the body contains atoms that decay. Therefore, the body is mortal, but the soul is immortal. So the eternal fire that they're talking about is the soul, because your soul is the sun. That's the eternal fire, you see, that you're looking for, because the soul is what? Immortal. Eternal is forever. It's forever. So you don't die. You see? You don't die. You don't die. Thank you, my brother. Thank you, my brother. Peace, love, and light. And stay on that workout. Stay on that workout too, my brother. And keep on sending them good messages, because whatever you project out to the world is coming back to you. See, I put out this positive energy and these high vibrational conversations, and this high vibrational conversations, I get this back in return, because the subconscious mind doesn't know if I'm talking to y'all or I'm talking to myself. So that's why I don't have low vibrational conversations, because I don't want to get a low vibrational energy coming back to me. I'm trying to vibe high, 144,000 hertz, the highest vibrational frequency, which is heaven on earth. Is not 144,000 people that's going to heaven. It's a vibration. Let me show it to you. Let me show it to you. See, I'm here to teach. See, when you know, you're going to teach. When you know, you teach. I'm an ascended master. I'm a teacher. I'm a spiritual guru. I'm a warrior monk of God. I'm here to teach the world and enlighten the world how to become liberated. It's liberation over education. You see, it's liberation over education, because I'm here.